I haven't had a homecoming date, but prom's in 2 weeks, and I really need a date.
I will literally be all these girls because I'm Avi better.
I want him to wear my scrunchie. And I oop.
I laugh because I have social issues.
You see, I really want to go to prom because all my friends are going, and I really don't want to be left out.
Oh, I totally get what you mean. I mean, my friends are always going to Starbucks, and sometimes they forget about me, which I don't know. How could they possibly do that? Because
Can I steal him for a sec?
Sure.
And by the way, we need to boycott Starbucks because they use plastic straws and not metal straws. Save the turtles.
Use Mario 360 for half off your next purchase at Pura Vida.
Anyways.
I'm so excited I finally get to talk to you.
Rose ceremony.
Ladies, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. The last mug of the night.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh my god, you're so annoying. Like, literally stop talking. I cannot stand
You're
that
always laughing. T. That's the T, sis.
You don't have any room to talk. You talk all the time. It's so annoying. I can't
Me?
take it. Yeah.
Well, at least I'm not basic.
I'm basic. Oh,
Yes.
me-
First of all,
no,
I'm the only person who's putting effort into this show.
No,
I'm the only.
I swear.
The ratings are
I
only up
swear.
because of me,
No,
and that's
it's because
literally
of me.
the T.
Wait, look at.
You know what? I'm gonna go write on my private.
Yeah, I've decided I'm not
yeah,
going
yeah,
to come.
that's
Wait,
gonna help.
wait till my